Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. Today we got a 2012 Chevy Impala, which we actually doing right outside my house. As you guys can see on the left, we have my Dodge Charger. What we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be installing LED lights underneath it. I'm running the wires from the bottom of the carpet, and I'm gonna be mounting the module in the back of the back seat. I also got the car lift up in the air so I can actually have more space in the bottom, and I can do the job more properly installed. And then we're gonna be using a wire that is gonna be running from the battery to all the way in the back for the module. Right here we have the tubes for the underbody LED lights, and these are gonna be orange. In a couple of seconds I'm gonna be showing you a picture of how it looks at the ends, because I was running out of time. So what I was doing, I was actually trying to get the car finished. So if you guys want to make sure and see how the car actually looks, or how it looks like the components, you guys can actually see on my video for my Dodge Charger and see how it works on the control. But thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.